Business Immigration Law, and we're on our LinkedIn Live today. I wanted to share some information. If you have global employees that you want to bring to Canada, to consider using GATS. It's called the General Agreement on Trade and Services, and we've used it for years. It's very much a treaty for members of the World Trade Organization countries. So we use it a lot for people in Europe, New Zealand, Australia, and other countries that are members of the WTO. It allows for professionals and skilled workers to come to Canada and do work. Sometimes it's just for 90 days. Other times, depending on their education, they can come for a longer period of time. But it's a really good kind of backup option to avoid having to do the labor market impact assessment. So if you've never heard of it, it's called GATS, and it allows for workers to come to Canada without going through the LMIA process, which could take months. And especially if they're coming for 3 months or less, it's a wonderful program for you to be able to bring either technicians, engineers, other degreed professionals to come and do short-term work or consulting on behalf of a Canadian entity. Sometimes we've used GATS to bring people here on a temporary basis, and then we continue on with the LMIA process, the Labor Market Impact Assessment process, while they're here, and then we can convert them to a longer term work permit. So if you have employees or contractors that you want to bring to Canada from Europe, we do it from France, from Germany, from Italy, all of that. And if they meet the criteria under the General Agreement of Trade and Services, this might be a great option for you to consider. It also lets you work with the person and test them out, perhaps before you engage them on a full-time basis. We'd love to be able to provide you with more opportunities, and we'll be talking more in the next coming weeks about other ways to bring highly skilled professionals to Canada to help you continue to grow your business and meet your immigration needs. Again, it's called GATS, General Agreement on Trade and Services. Give us a call at Ackah Business Immigration Law if you have any questions at all about this category. And we're also going to be sharing this on our Ask Canada Immigration Lawyer, Evelyn Ackah podcast. So you'll learn more about the General Agreement of Trade and Services if you also subscribe to our podcast and all our other social media, so that you can get the most up-to-date information about immigration law to Canada and to the United States. Thank you so much. Take good care.